Chandan, who works in a pharma company in Chandigarh, has received a notice from Income Tax Department, but his company has always paid taxes on time. He is unable to understand. Just like Chandan, there are large number of taxpayers who get nervous when they get the IT notice, while some people even ignore any such notice. If you also commit the same mistake, then you can get into yet another problem. Most of such notices can be replied online at the Income Tax Department's e-filing website, https://eportal.incometax.gov.in/iec/FO services. This is a link on this website under the name of compliance. You can submit your reply by clicking on this link. The taxpayer should occasionally log into the website to ensure that there is no action pending from his side. Even if the link doesn't show any notice, you will get the relevant information on the matter. You will get all the details of the notice. Notice for non-filing of ITR. If you have deposited a large sum of cash in your account, or if you have purchased any real estate property but have not yet filed ITR, then you may get notice from the Income Tax Department. You can submit your reply online. If you do not respond to the notice, then you may get into trouble later on. If you have filed ITR, then you will get a notice as per section 143(1) of Income Tax Act. This notice is an intimation of processing your return. This notice contains all the details of your returns filed by you. This notice will also contain details of the calculation of your tax by the Income Tax Department. If the details that you mention tally with that of Income Tax Department data, then you do not need to do anything. But if there is a mismatch in the figures, then you owe an explanation. For example, at the time of filing the return, if the interest income earned from your FD has not been clubbed with your other income, then the Income Tax Department will flag that income in the notice. Because of this, the notice will reflect your total outstanding tax amount. Then, what should we do? CA Ankit Gupta says that you should file the tax and submit the relevant information by visiting the compliance link on the Income Tax Department's website. It may also happen that you have made some error while filing the ITR, due to which authorities will demand additional tax from you. This way, you can better your tax filing record. If the notice uploaded by the CPC is not replied in time, the case is transferred to the assessment officer AO. You can fix this issue only after meeting the AO. You will not be able to fix the issue after the assessment. Regular assessment. If the Income Tax Department finds some discrepancy in your returns, then it can scrutinize your accounts. The Income Tax Department will send you a notice under section 143(2). If you also get this notice, then it is better to submit your reply after consulting your CA. If the additional income tax was demanded from you, but you don't take any action, then a notice will be sent to you under section 245 of the Income Tax Act. It is written in this notice that in future, whatever your refund will be, it will be adjusted in the outstanding demand. Interest is compounded on this outstanding amount at the rate of 2% every month, unless and until this amount will be fully adjusted or you pay the entire amount yourself. The issue will not be fixed. Defective return. If your ITR is found to be defective, then a notice is sent to the taxpayer under section 139(9) of the Income Tax Act. For example, if you have business income but you have not submitted the balance sheet, then the return will be considered as defective. In such a situation, you can get a chance to fix the return. If you do not respond within 15 days, your return will be treated as ineligible. Money9 suggestion. If you have received any notice from the Income Tax Department, then always file its reply in time. If you do not understand the reason behind the notice, then consult your CA. Always keep yourself abreast with the matter. Try not to make any mistake while filing the return.